One of the most heartbreaking cases that I've handled involved a young girl who died. And the thing that really impressed me during that case was that people try to portray people who file personal injury lawsuits as money hungry. But during the course of the lawsuit, I wanted to get a photograph of the young girl to personalize her because it was going to trial. And the mother only had a small photograph of her daughter. And this was a while back when it wasn't real easy to blow up photographs, but I went through the process of having that photograph blown up. And the mother saw it, and she was just amazed by it. And so we were able to get her a favorable verdict, and an appeal was filed. And while the appeal was filed, the mother would call me from time to time. And instead of asking me when she was going to get her money, she would always ask me, when are you going to be able to give me the picture of my daughter that you had blown up? And this really showed me that this lady was filing the lawsuit not just because of the financial burden that the death caused her family, but also because she cared about righting what had been done wrong to her daughter. One of the more challenging cases I had involved a gentleman that was hit by a tractor trailer on an interstate highway. His vehicle had become disabled as a result of a snowstorm, and he had gotten out of his vehicle in an attempt to move the vehicle. Unbeknownst to him, a tractor trailer was approaching and struck his vehicle, and his vehicle struck him. The case became very complicated because the motor carrier involved wanted to blame my client alone for everything that happened. But the truth of the matter is that if the tractor trailer was not speeding, my client would have never been hit. So we proceeded to trial, and there were a number of issues in the case, one of which was the speed at which the tractor trailer was traveling. Luckily, we were able to, through discovery, obtain the logbooks for the truck driver, and those logbooks ultimately proved that the driver was speeding, and the jury was convinced that the truck driver was lying. Because of that, the jury awarded a fair verdict in favor of our client. The important thing here is that our clients are often vilified in the media, but the truth of the matter is that I have found that achieving justice is important to our clients, and I'm happy that we're able to do that.